Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video. If you're stopping on this channel for the first time, please turn on your bell notification, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Right, so I was walking through the street of YouTube and I came in contact with this video. The link of this video will be on my description box. That's the original link of this video, right? And please subscribe to their channel for more amazing videos. It says everything is freezing in Canada. Winter storms paralyze southern Ontario. We are going to be checking this out. Like, I've reacted to the snow that happened in Norway. It was massive though, but on my comment section I got a lot of people saying it's natural, is normal rather, and it all happened. It's just that this one was just much, but they are used to it, right? So I don't really know about the people in Canada. And we are going to be checking this out. I really don't know what to expect here, but I don't think I can cope in a cold weather like this, right? So let's check this out. Wow.
Oh my god, no, not this one too.
Oh. The ground is slippery, I guess.
Ontario, Canada finds itself in the icy grip of Mother Nature's fury. On January 12th, 2024, a major winter storm descended upon southern Ontario, leaving behind a trail of chaos and a frozen landscape.
Frozen. Wow. Cars are just moving on their own. Ow. A lot of damage will definitely happen here.
Southern Ontario, Canada experienced a severe winter storm that paralyzed the region, particularly affecting Toronto and surrounding areas.
Oh, this is not nice.
Hello and welcome to Alerts On. The storm, characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and even lightning, wreaked havoc, causing widespread disruptions in various aspects of daily life. The storm, anticipated by weather agencies, prompted Environment Canada to issue winter storm warnings for large parts of Ontario and Quebec. Toronto, Peel Region, Durham Region, and sections of Halton Region were under constant warnings throughout the evening.
Wow, everything is definitely going to be on hold here.
Of snow to some regions, accompanied by
this is really a lot,
and a potential risk of storm surges.
Oh damn. It hits you, man.
Toronto Pearson Airport bore the brunt of the storm, with hundreds of flights cancelled and some diverted to other airports due to treacherous weather conditions.
Oh, how are they going to be coping? If you're watching this and you're from Canada, please, how are you guys right now? I really want to know.
Affecting tens of thousands of homes and businesses. The storm's impact was not limited to Toronto. It extended across Ontario.
It's definitely going to make a lot of things to be on hold, guys. On hold. The storm is much.
In Quebec, residents were advised to prepare for storm surges and high waves, with up to 5 centimeters of snowfall per hour in some regions. The weather system was forecasted to move from western to eastern parts of the provinces, leaving significant snow accumulations in its wake. One of the distinctive features of this storm was the occurrence of lightning, commonly known as thunder snow. This phenomenon, though rare, was reported by several residents as the heavy snowfall persisted.
Everywhere is freezed. Everywhere. How are you guys right now? I'm asking. How are you guys coping right now? I know maybe everywhere will be better right now, depends on when this video is coming out, but please, I really want to know.
A multi-day lake effect snow event was anticipated east of the Great Lakes.
Guys, this is actually a lot, trust me. How are you guys coping? If you're watching this and you're from Canada, please, how are you guys coping? Did this really affect everywhere in the Canada or just some particular region? Please let me know on the comment section. How are you guys coping? How are you guys doing? Is this like a normal thing, or this particular one escalated too far? Please let me know in the comment section. This is coming from a pure heart, right? Drop those comments. I want to read them. Be nice with your comments, please. Be nice with your comments. I got a lot of I don't want to say crazy comments on my other snow video, and I really did not take it nicely. So please be nice with your comment. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are better right now, and hope everywhere is fine. I know many people will be like, it's normal, but I don't know if this was just too much. Please let me know in the comment section, right? Thank you guys for watching, and stay blessed and stay subscribed to the channel for amazing content, right? For latest update. I'll see you guys in my next video.